In this tutorial, I'll walk you through adding a beautiful transparent header to your WordPress site using the Astra theme and Elementor, two of the most popular tools out there for building stunning, modern websites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create that stylish, see-through header effect you see on so many professional sites, and you won't even need Elementor Pro unless you want a totally custom design. Let's dive in and get started. First off, we'll use Astra's built-in transparent header settings because not only is this the fastest way, it's also completely free and works seamlessly with the Astra theme. You won't need any extra plugins or complicated coding, it's all right there in your dashboard. So start by heading to the WordPress customizer. If you haven't done this before, just look in your dashboard menu for Appearance, then tap on Customize. This opens up a live preview of your site with tons of options down the side. And don't worry, you can always back out without saving changes if you want to experiment. Now in the customizer, look for Header Builder. Astra has a super intuitive header builder that gives you a visual layout of your header's elements, so you're never guessing where things are placed. Click into the transparent header section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Enable on entire website. Go ahead and toggle that on. Instantly, you'll notice your header takes on a see-through effect across all your pages. If there are some views where a transparent header might not make sense, like maybe your 404 or search pages, you can easily exclude those with just a tick. Astra gives you full control. Next, it's time to style your new transparent header for maximum impact and readability. Remember, with a transparent header, your site's background, usually a bold hero image or a bit of color, will show through, so contrast is key here. The very first thing I recommend is uploading a dedicated transparent header logo. This is often a version of your logo in white or another light color, so it pops against a busy or dark background. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, ensuring your brand looks professional on any screen. While you're here, take a moment to check the colors for your menu links and site title too. You'll find sliders to adjust these in Astra's settings. Be sure to pick a color that stands out clearly against your background. Think of it like making sure white text is readable on a dark image, the same way you'd pick a pen that writes smoothly on any paper color. If you can't read it easily, your visitors probably can't either. Also, don't forget to set the background color to fully transparent by dragging the opacity slider all the way to 0. This will reveal your site's content right behind the header. It might appear subtle, but this is the make or break detail that defines a real transparent effect. Take a breath and review your preview in the customizer window. Double-check the design on both desktop and mobile views. Sometimes, colors and contrasts can look a little different depending on the device. If anything feels off, just tweak the colors or switch the logo until everything looks just right. There's no rush. Getting the details perfect here means your visitors will get that wow effect every time they visit. When you're happy with your transparent header, simply hit the blue Publish button at the top. This saves all your changes, and just like that, your new transparent header goes live site-wide. And that's it. You've just given your WordPress site a modern, sleek vibe with a transparent header, using only the Astra theme's built-in options. If you have questions or want to see how to build a fully custom header with Elementor Pro in a future video, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and web design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.